How to fix Instagram professional account not switching to personal account problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if you are facing the Instagram professional account not switching back to your personal account problem. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that you are using the Instagram settings properly. So to switch back to your personal account, you have to open up Instagram, make sure that you're logged in. Now go to your profile from the home page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're under your profile, tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Once you're under settings and private or activity page, you have to scroll down and head towards the section that is creator tools and controls. If you cannot find it, just swipe up and here for professional section, there is creator tools and controls. Once you're here, scroll down and there is an option as switch account type, tap on it. From here, you can simply tap on switch to personal account and confirm it again. And with that, you will be taken back to your personal account. But in case if you cannot find this option on your account, then you have to wait for a few seconds after opening the screen. Try to scroll again, but sometimes it lags. So in that case, what you can do is clear your Instagram application cache. For that, open up settings in your device. Tap on apps. Tap on Instagram. Here tap on storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. After that, reopen your Instagram and try switching again and check if that works out for you or not. If still not, you have to make sure that your application is up to date. For that, open up Play Store. Then you have to search for Instagram. If the application needs update, make sure to update your application. But in case if your application is already up to date, try to uninstall the application, reinstall it back, log it back, and check if your problem is now gone or not. If that still does not help you, try to switch your account from the browser. So you can open up Google Chrome in your device, go to Instagram.com, log in into your profile. Again, try to switch back to personal from there and see if that works out for you. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if you're not able to switch back to your personal account on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.